Hey, it's Ken Barrett Laundromat How To. From an X-Trick, got this old front load change machine. It's an old standard ChangeMaker. I forget the model on it. SC62. Probably because I think it was made in 1962. But what I want to do is convert this into a rear load changer. So I'm headed down to my local machine shop now. They've done a few other projects for me. And what we're going to do is see if we can move the drop and the bill acceptor to the back, what is now the back, and then get it set up so that this will actually become the new back side. We'll put an oversized plate on the front, and we'll be able to use it as a rear load change machine, just because there's a couple things. One, this one's been beat up and pried into a few times, the door is bent, and I just don't like front load change machines if I can get away with it. So it needs some work anyways. The inside stuff needs to get tuned up. So what we'll do is get this work done, and I'll take all the guts out. I'll send it back to standard ChangeMaker, get it all updated, tuned up, and repaired, and we'll have a brand new change machine. So stand by, this could be a bit of a project.